Well, we just read together this part two of Julie Fights for Survival, and let's take a look back now at some of the key events that happened. I actually already marked them so we could find them quickly together. In paragraph 11, she's just beginning her search, and she does a couple things that help her search that we might want to note as an event. She takes what she has and she makes boots, and she goes out looking for that pack that she lost to Jello, which leads us to the next big thing that happened, and you can see that right here. Aye, she gasped in paragraph 14. On the side of a groundswell lay Jello, his body borne in bloody shreds, his face contorted beside. Beside him lay her backpack. So she's found her backpack here, and along with it, she's found Jello lying dead, which is a pretty big event, I think, in this story. After that, we see right away that she realizes right here that Amaruk had turned on him, she says. So she realized that this other wolf named Amaruk has killed Jello. Going on to the next page then, let's look at some other things that happened. She's looking here and talking about how Jello was useless, he didn't contribute to the pack, but as she looks in her pack to see what is left, she finds that everything but her food is still inside. So she's got her tools now, which she talks about being important. It talks about right here. Slowly she opened her pack. The food was gone, but her needles, ulu, and boots were tucked in the pockets. And then finally we see a last key event over here, that having found her things, she heads off to Point Hope. Oh, I just messed that up. She heads off to Point Hope. She takes her pack and heads off to Point Hope. But she does know that she will be okay no matter what, and she mentions that right here. Reaching Point Hope seemed less important now that she had come to truly understand the value of her ulu needles. So she's not as stressed about getting to this place she was journeying, because she knows she's got what it takes to survive out on her own. So those were the key events that happened while we read this second part of Julie Fights for Survival.